Right, we've just got to the unit. It's Sunday morning. We're just loading up the van and the smart car, and then we're going to head down to Sopper's house where we got the supercars and caffeine meet this morning. So stay tuned and we'll show you the highlights of the event.
Right, so we've just done a display around the front of Sopper's house, and now we've got a few car patches to let here.
So we're all set up at Sopper's house. We've done 3 car patches, the Uni and Jack patch, and we've done an Ollie the Car Kid patch. Good? Good. So that's the event finished. We're just going to start packing up these floors and get everything loaded back up in the van. So that's it guys, good event here today. Thanks for watching today's video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you on next week's video.